Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickling vinegar. Start by combining equal parts white vinegar and water, add 1 tablespoon pickling salt per pint, and 1 tablespoon sugar if desired. Gently heat until salt dissolves, then cool before pouring over prepared vegetables. I'll explain variations, flavorings, and safe storage tips so you can make crisp, flavorful pickles at home with confidence and a quick timeline for speeding the process. Gathering the right ingredients makes pickling vinegar successful and simple. Use 5% white distilled vinegar, pickling salt, and optional sugar plus spices like dill, garlic, and mustard seed. Measure precisely. Equal parts vinegar and water for a mellow brine or undiluted vinegar for a sharper profile. Heat gently to dissolve salt and sugar, then cool. I'll walk through spice mixes, sweet versus tart balances, and tips for clear, attractive brine. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and oddly it pairs well with learning to save by making your own pickling vinegar, one less jar to buy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by sterilizing jars and prepping vegetables with clean cuts and even sizes. Combine measured vinegar, water if diluting, pickling salt, and sugar in a pan and heat gently until dissolved, not boiled. Pack vegetables and spices into jars, pour hot brine to recommended headspace, wipe rims, and seal. For shelf stability, follow proper canning steps. For quick refrigerator pickles, cool and chill. I'll cover timing, texture tips, and troubleshooting crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.